Approved for processing.
Modern pork production integrates breeding, raising, and sustainable land management.
Buy the December lean hogs at $9.82. We need to lock in the corn prices now before the jump.
We got the last of the pork pallets loaded in REF 10.
All right, confirm the manifest and secure the doors. The crane is ready for the lift.
Easy now, up the ramp. We're running smoothly today.
Optimize the route around the Denver bottleneck.
Copy that.
I'm looking at the route now. We need that shipment picked up by 0800 tomorrow.
The alignment looks consistent on this run.
Noted.
The diameter is within tolerance.
The Bolta cutter utilizes advanced pneumatic technology for rapid, controlled stunning, ensuring animal welfare and seamless compliance.
The pH level stabilized, but look at the microbial count here. Confirmed. The safety threshold is exceeded in Sector C.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep it straight. And hold it. That's good.
Bring that pallet to the cooler door now.
On my way.
Hey there, Fresh Mart delivery for today.
That's us. Got 3 pallets for you.
Okay, let's verify the count. Scanning now.
Sure thing.
All right, everything matches the invoice. Please sign on the tablet.
Wow, that smells so good.
Looks incredible, dear.
Dig in, everyone.
Wow, that looks absolutely perfect.
It smells incredible. Let's see how this cut looks.
This pork is amazing, honey.
The quality is really outstanding.
It's so juicy.
Trucking Company 5, your load is ready at Crane 16. Proceed to Gate 3 for departure.
Here is your US pork. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Here is your US pork. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Service, please. 1 U.S. pork on the pass.
Picking up the pork, chef. Thank you. This is our Berkshire pork, slow roasted and served with a quince puree and crispy sage.
Pork provides high-quality protein and essential nutrients. It absolutely fits into a balanced, healthy diet, despite
These figures clearly demonstrate the strength of our sector.
And by working together, we ensure that continuous improvement.
Absolutely, this partnership is key.
The feed conversion ratio on Group C is significantly better than we projected.
Yes, I've logged the new data points. It seems the lysine supplement is working.
As you can see on the screen, early detection is crucial for herd immunity.
Yes. How does the PRS virus affect the younger piglets differently? This automated system allows for precise nutrient delivery, significantly improving efficiency.
These records look very thorough, and the pigs appear quite active and healthy.
We work hard to keep them comfortable.
It shows.
As you can see, our pigs are raised in spacious, clean environments. Healthy animals mean quality pork for your family.
By understanding where your food comes from, you support responsible production. Informed consumers drive continuous improvement in practices.
It's more than just a farm, it's our legacy. We've raised the best hogs in the county right here for 50 years. It's more than just a farm, it's our legacy. We've raised the best hogs in the county right here for 50 years.
I'm committed to responsible animal care because producing food is an honor and responsibility I take seriously.
Morning, Bob. Ready for that coffee? You bet. Heard they got the new soybean prices posted.
So the extended warranty is included. Perfect. We'll take it. We'll take it.
This roast is incredible.
It really is, honey.
I am taking a special group to visit the holy sites written in the Holy Bible in the second week of July 2026.